Today on Making Every Genre Delicious, we're going to warm up by making our signature Rudolph cake with chocolate and peppermint on the inside. Now, I celebrate Christmas, but I would love to know what holidays you guys celebrate in the comments, and also what your family traditions are, because I would really love to know more about that. I'm using tempered chocolate to make my antlers, and if you would like to learn how to temper chocolate, I'll post the link here for our Game of Thrones dragon egg, where we'll show you how. Our Rudolph cakes are available all of November and December, but as a big holiday thank you to all of our subscribers, we're going to give one of these guys away. All you have to do is post a comment below and we'll do a random draw. Happy holidays!